Alright, so if you want to make animated videos but don't know video editing or animation software, yeah, that used to be hard. But now with Dola AI you can turn simple text into animated videos in just a few clicks. So in 2026, let's go step by step and create animations the easy way. First, open Dola AI in your browser or app. You'll land on a dashboard where you can create different types of AI content. Now choose the animated video or AI video generator option. This is where you turn your script into motion visuals. Next, type or paste your script. This is what the AI will use to build your scenes and animation. Now choose a style like cartoon, explainer, cinematic, or social media animation. You can add AI voiceover directly or upload your own audio to make it more engaging. Now click Generate. Dola AI will automatically turn your script into animated scenes with visuals and motion. You can adjust scenes, change visuals, or fix timing to fine-tune your video. Next, add background music or sound effects to make it more professional. Once everything looks good, export your video in HD or share it directly to social media. So yeah, that's how to make animated videos using Dola AI in 2026. No editing skills, no complex software, just simple AI-powered creation.